Hello YouTube and friends. Okay, we're doing some preliminary work adding things to this building here. I hope that you found this interesting so far. And I'm doing this just pretty much while I have enough light before the sun gets too low. So, alright, here's what we've got so far. We've got some wire mesh right here, okay? And we've just basically stapled it to the building, you know, like stapling, okay, because it's thin wire. If you can see my finger, it's really thin. And the purpose of this netting is because we do have a lot of pack rats around here, and pack rats love chewing and love getting into little spaces just like any other rat. So they're outdoor rats, but they don't mind moving in with people. So what we're doing here, we're going to be digging a trench underneath here. And we've already done it on one side, on the other side of the building, but we're going to, sorry, I shouldn't be fidgeting here. Get that little stick out. Basically what we're going to be doing is putting some rock, just miscellaneous rock, okay? Miscellaneous rock underneath the edge of the building, which is right here, okay? See that? There's my fingers. So we're going to stack a few rocks up underneath here, and then this wire mesh is going to hit the ground, and we're going to kind of curl it up a little bit like that. And then we're going to put some more rocks on top of that to hold that down. And over time, it'll slowly kind of sink in and wedge in and all of that. So then when that gets done, we'll be able to just berm up some dirt up against it. And I've seen this done successfully other parts of town. So this is kind of an old technique. I don't know if they used wire or what they used exactly in those old days, but if you get it bermed up with enough rocks that they can't really get through the rocks, they're not going to get through that wire either. So what we're trying to do, for the most part, because this is true for skunks, any other creature, rabbits are the same, I know, I've seen this here already, they'll burrow underneath a building because it's a secure place for them. You know, if they're having young, or, you know, they need a place to hide, it's a great place to hide under a building because the building's not going anywhere. So I don't want them underneath the building. Let me get around the corner. That's what's left of the fire pit. We're going to move it. But basically, I didn't expect the building to come this far back on the lot from the street. Let me see, where's my little pointer finger there? Okay, I didn't expect to be putting it this far back, but it just worked out to be a good idea because of space and being able to do what I want to do on the front of the lot along this side. You can see we also have a deck that I'm having put in. I'm over here tonight basically to check the deck, and there was a couple problems, so we'll be fixing that tomorrow, hopefully, if the guys show up. And then there's also a gutter way up top, you can see that, and that's because this is the east side of the building. Okay, there, you can see it better now. I think you can see the downspout. So this is the east side of the building, and this is where most of the water, we're going to turn that sideways, it's in the wrong direction, the downspout, but this is where the east side of the building, where during monsoon, let me find where I'm at here. Okay, during monsoon, this is where most of the direction of the wind is coming from. So if the rain's coming and hitting this side of the peak of the roof, it'll run down and use the downspout to exit, and then run off to the side into the lower part of the lot, which is down there. So, all right, from beautiful Arizona, early March. I have my coat on, but it's actually really pleasant tonight. You can see the clouds really aren't any at all. Right over there, a few. So, hope you're enjoying this so far. I really have to break away and do some other types of videos, but seeing I'm going to keep working on the place, it's nice to get a little continuity. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. I hope it's not too cold where you are still, or snowing. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.